Hi everyone, my name is Dakota. I'm a student at Indiana University studying business, and I recently acquired two Miracle-Gro 12 machines. I'm going to be setting up with my apartment today and growing fresh herbs and leafy greens. A Miracle-Gro 12 system is a hydroponic water-based growing system that allows you to grow fresh herbs, leafy greens, and flowers 12 months out of the year, or all year round. So this is the MG12 machine in a box, and now we're going to unpack it and make sure that everything is inside. So we've unpacked the box and laid everything out, and the first thing we're going to open is the smaller box that has the instruction guide in it. The first thing is to make sure that all the pieces and parts are here, which we've already done. And then step 1 says to download the app. So I'm going to do that now. So after downloading the app and creating an account, the app is going to help me walk through the steps of putting the machine together. So the first step is base assembly. So I need to attach the leg with the electrical component to the corresponding part of the base and then attach the other legs. So we're going to clip this together. So now that we have the base assembled with the legs put on, we're going to screw each leg in place with this larger bolt and washer. So we put that on, put it in the connection, and then we tighten. So now that the legs are secured to the base, the next step is to put the light shade on top. Again, paying attention to the electrical component and connection side. Perfect. So after putting the shade on, I'm turning the unit upside down and I'm going to securely connect the legs to the shade with the smaller screws. So the last step in assembling the Miracle-Gro 12 machine is to screw in the last 2 screws that hold the planting sight frame in place. So now that we've set up both of our machines, stay tuned to watch us plant live plants and seeds and then track their progress as they grow. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.